So dito sa manifesto na 'to babasahin ko po. Sabi niya dito "Hello everybody. So I may have given a lot of people a surprise today. Let me start off by apologizing to everyone whose trust I abused. I apologize to my parents for saying I had an interview without specifying it was for most wanted. I apologize to my colleagues and students for saying I had a personal emergency. By the time anyone read this, I probably most certainly do need to go to the ER, but can hardly call that not a self-inflicted status." So parang nagsasabi na siya that I think may trabaho siya tapos nag-off siya for some reason, and kung nabasa daw itong letter niya, parang sinasabi niya na he might be in a hospital. Sabi niya dito, "I apologize to all of the people I traveled next to, all the workers who had handled my luggage, and all the other non-targeted people at the hotel who I put in danger simply by being near." So in short, niya alam niya yung target, alam niya kung anong gagawin niya, at ready siya. Handa siya kung anong pwede mangyari. Kasi he's already apologizing. And sabi niya dito, "I apologize to everyone who was abused and or murdered before this. To all those who suffered before, I was able to attempt this. To all who will suffer after, regardless of my success or failure." So in short, he don't care. Kahit ano mangyari, basta makomplete niya lang yung mission niya, which is to assassinate the president and his cabinet. I don't expect forgiveness, but if I could have seen any other way to get this close, I would have taken it. Again, my sincere apologies. On to why I did any of this. So pinapaliwanag niya na dito kung bakit. Sabi niya dito, "I am a citizen of United States of America. What my representatives do reflects on me, and I am no longer willing to permit a pedophile, rapist, and a traitor to coat my hands with this crime. While I'm discussing this, I'll also go over my expected rules of engagement. Probably in a terrible format, but I am not military, so too bad." So sinabi niya dito that he have a plan, and this is how I will do it. So sabi niya dito, administration officials, not including Mr. Kash Patel, yung director po ng FBI, they are all targets. Prioritize from highest ranking to lowest. Secret Service, sabi niya dito sa Secret Service naman, they are targets only if necessary and to be incapacitated non-lethally if possible. I hope they're wearing body armor because center mass with shotgun messes up people who aren't. Talagang ano no, sabi niya kailangan daw naka-vest, naka-bulletproof vest yung Secret Service or kung hindi daw, yung shrapnel ng shotgun, maaari daw pong, sumabog sa katawan ng mga, ah, Secret Service at ito'y puwedeng mag-shatter ng katawan nila. Parang pinag-aralan niya talaga. Sabi niya naman dito, sa hotel security naman daw, not target if at all possible unless they shoot at me. Okay. Capitol Police, same as hotel security. National Guard, same as hotel security. Hotel employees, not target at all. Guests, not target at all. In order to minimize casualties, I will also be using buckshot rather than slugs, less penetration. Okay, so isang uri ito ng bala ng shotgun, which is, sabi niya dito, less penetration through walls. I would still go through most everyone here to get to the targets if it's absolutely necessary. Sabi niya dito, para ma-accomplish niya yung target niya, it's sino basta nasa harapan ng target niya, he will try to go there. Para sabi niya, babarilin niya itong mga 'to hanggang sa makalapit sa.
Ako, si Densable TV 2.0 at ito ang Pilkas kung saan ang katotohanan ay walang takot na sinasabi. Like, share, and subscribe na